Most people get this wrong. They think Pay Later X is just another buy now pay later app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Pay Later X has grown into a comprehensive financial platform offering early wage access, installment options, and budgeting tools to help you manage money smarter. Here's how it works. Pay Later X allows you to split purchases into smaller installments, making large expenses more manageable and easier to fit into your budget. Additionally, the app offers early wage access, giving you the ability to get a portion of your earned pay before payday, usually within hours, so you can handle unexpected bills or emergencies without relying on high-interest credit cards. The app features an intuitive dashboard where you can track advances, monitor upcoming payments, and analyze your spending trends. Notifications and reminders help ensure you never miss a repayment, avoiding fees, and supporting good financial habits. The downside? Overusing Pay Later X can become costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can accumulate fees quickly, so it's important to use it responsibly and not rely on it as a permanent solution. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installment plans you can repay on time. 2. Turn on notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the app. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find the fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, Pay Later X in 2026 is a flexible and practical financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Plan ahead, track your repayments, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and practical financial tips to stay in control of your money.